tumemfuata DJ. Tumetoka mbali sana, tumemfuata na chui.
Natali
Utokalo unapenda papa papa penda papa papa usipende bure bure ndokoza unapenda meshawazi nazotawawa tawawe tawawa kama nataka kukubata kupa punguza kupa kichupa situ echo kichupa situ echoni utamu nakuja nakata nakuja nakata dunia tamu dunia tamu kukubata kupa punguza pupa kichupa situ echoni utamu nakuja nakata nakuja kuja 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 nakata nakuja kuja
Uchawi upo ni Masaki. Siamini.
Nacheka kwa dhara nawakalisha na washusha kama nacheka kwa dhara nawakalisha na washusha kama mjini akili nguvu nenda shamba ole za kwa janja kina snepa mantara silaha pesa mambo visubushu tarini watu wanashusha madurine kama na usinipeleke ndakupa bukuta seke seke lote kwa pafuta kete kete tulikuwa mtutano sambona naisha wenyewe mwanamke mwanamke mwanaume mwanaume furusi mwanamke mwanamke mwanaume mwanaume nacheka kwa bara nawapandisha na washusha kama nacheka kwa bara nawapandisha na washusha kama
Kibanabana utazani umelipia bili. Baki nayo, wezi unaona dili. Isi ya kwako, inabadilisha stahili. Oya singeli ya leo wanangwa tuchezi hivi. Singeli ya leo wanangwa tuchezi vile. Singeli ya leo tunacheza singeli kuganda. Oya ganda. We ganduka. Tena ganda. We ganduka. Waya 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 waya. 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 Kibalia balia kaning'ang'ania, nimemwona Zuburi Joni ananitadia, eti kanizimikia, ameniambia na yeye forever mpaka mwisho wa dunia. Kwanza unantaka nikikubali utaniweza, wache kila siku laki ndani kodi ya meza. Unantaka nikikubali utaniweza, au ndo shobo tu namba kudezageza. Hapo singeli ya leo wanangwa tuchezi, singeli ya leo watuchezi mapiano. Singeli ya leo tunacheza singeli kuganda, oya ganda. Wega.
On the dotted line, I've been flying out of town for some peace of mind. It's like always, I just want a peace of mind. I've been focused on the future, never on right now. But I'm sipping that kombucha, either pink or brown. I'm the one that introduced you to the you right now. Oh my God, that'd be right, bitch. Come alive, ain't it neat? Ain't it funny? Bitch. Calling a young nigga phone. Where's Ollie with the motherfucking dog? I be ballin' like a motherfucking pro. I be ballin' like my nigga Mo. Check where's I in the motherfucking jaw. Step west, stay with the fucking pole. Hey, 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 what you know about that? What you know about that? What you know about that? Hey, don't you know I got a key by the 3 when I church out the church, man. Do it now, Sam, where I'm holding all the word, man. What you know about that? What you know about that? What you know about that? I know all about that. Know the on the low with the cheese and fresh out the jet to the chicks with the cheese and what you know about that? What you know about that? Hey, what you know about that? Hey, I know all about that.
Scotty, shit, make it rain on these niggas. Yeah, I'm in this bitch with terror. Got a head full of stacks, better grab an umbrella. I make it right, I make it right. I'm in this bitch with terror. Got a head full of stacks, better grab an umbrella. I make it right, I make it right. Make it rain on them hoes, I make it right, I make it right. I make it rain on them hoes, I make it right, I make it right. I make it rain on them hoes, I make it right, I make it right. I make it rain on them hoes.
You hear the echo, really see the bass, fucking see out the meadow. I'm a hustler, my pushers, you a bastard, customer, I get this a kicker.
Shawty some bad, and she red, like my favorite color. Gangsta ass beat, some ratchet, she come from ain't a lame, she don't cane. Get it from her brother, she thick from the front. Natural joint, got it from her mother.
That's a bad bitch for you. Red bitch with long hair. That's a bad bitch for you. White tee, French tip now. That's a bad bitch for you. Only listen when you paying the bills. That's a bad bitch for you.
DJ Khaled. Hey. Yeah. All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get enough. And every time I step up in the building, everybody hands go up.
Let me see your fucking hands.
They stay there, and they say yeah, and they say there. Cause all I do is win, win, win. And if you going in, put your hands in the air, make them stay there. DJ Khaled. Hey. Yeah. All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get enough. And every time I step up in the building, everybody hands go up. And they stay there, and they say yeah, and they say there. Cause all I do is win, win, win. And if you going in, put your hands in the air, make them stay there.
An alien sorcerer approaching
If you love hip hop, let me see your motherfucking hand right now.
cannot be attacked
If you love hip hop, put your hands up.
by an unknown enemy.
Wewe jamaa Mike, mbona kama Mike yako iko chini sana, unaniangusha bana. No way, come on man, come on man. If you love what I'm doing right now, somebody hear you say vintage. Let me hear you say vintage. One more time, let me hear you say the vintage.
Give me the green light. Give me just one night. I'm ready to go right now. I'm ready to go right now. I might be too strung out on compliments, overdosed on confidence. Started not to give a fuck and stop fearing the consequence. Drinking every night because we drink to my accomplishments. Made it way too long, I'm floating in and out of consciousness, and they saying I'm back. I agree with that. I just take my time with all this shit. I still believe in that. I had someone tell me I fell off. Ooh, I needed that, and they wanna see me pick back up. Well, where'd I leave it at? I know I exaggerated things. Now I got it like that. Tuck my napkin in my shirt 'cause I'm just mopping like that. You know good and well that you don't want a problem like that. You gon' make someone around me catch a body like that. No, don't do it. Please don't do it. 'Cause one of us goes in and we all
I wanna hear we sing together right now.
got the money. So Drizzy gon' pay it. Those my brothers, I ain't even gotta say it. That's just
What's up? They know, they know, they know. Hey, say yeah, yeah, yeah. Say whoa, whoa, whoa. Say yeah. Say whoa.
diamonds, don't complain on this. We was hustling, you niggas got no say on this.
Holla. What's up? Diddy, what's up, y'all? We about to turn up tonight, ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters. We go by the name of Vintage, if you don't know. And this is how we're doing, this is how we're taking over. Kama umependa tulichokifanya usiku wa leo. Somebody now, somebody you say Vintage. This is how we do it, baby. On the 1 and 2 right now is about to take it over. My brother from another fucking mother, DJ Diddy. We don't play out here, man. We are here to party. We are here to fucking party. We don't fucking play tonight. If you're ready for DJ Diddy, somebody now, somebody you say yeah. Let me hear you say what?